What if your favorite DIY tool has a hidden past? Today, we explore the humble screwdriver's ancient origins. This essential tool revolutionized home repairs and industry, but its true history extends back much further than you imagine. Forget modern Phillips or flathead designs for a moment. A new wheel light uncover its surprising journey through centuries. A new wheel light. Screws themselves existed long before the screwdriver. Archimedes' screw around 3rd century BC moved water. This was a helical pump, not a fastening device. True threaded fasteners emerged in the 15th century. Early examples secured armor and printing presses. These initial screws were often crude, handmade creations. The first screwdriver appeared in Europe around 1475. It was often called a turnscrew or Schraubendreher. Early versions had simple wooden handles and flat tips. They were used by locksmiths and armorers primarily. Leonardo da Vinci's notebooks show screw-cutting machines. This demonstrates the growing importance of threaded fasteners. Such tools were rare, expensive, and highly specialized. The 18th century brought the Industrial Revolution. Machine-made screws became widely available and cheaper. English screwdrivers. Machine-made screws became Wyventer Maudslay patented a screw-cutting lathe. His 1797 invention standardized screw production significantly. This allowed for consistent, interchangeable screw designs. Mass production truly transformed DIY and manufacturing. For centuries, only flathead screws were common. Flathead drivers often slipped, damaging screws and work. In 1930, Henry F. Phillips patented his revolutionary design. The Phillips head offered superior grip and self-centering. Its cross-shaped recess allowed for greater torque application. Ford Motor Company adopted Phillips screws in 1936. It quickly became the dominant screw type globally. Today, many other screw types exist. Torx, Hex, Robertson screws, invented in 1908, are popular in Canada. These newer designs offer even better grip and anti-cam out. Yet the basic principle of turning a screw remains unchanged. From medieval armor to modern electronics, it persists. The screwdriver's journey reflects human ingenuity perfectly. It's a testament to simple tools solving complex problems. So the next time you grab a screwdriver, remember it's long past. It's more than metal. It's centuries of innovation in your hand. This humble tool truly shaped our built environment forever. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of everyday tools.